Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some good news about Arc Pro B60. Intel is finally bringing the B60 to the DIY market without integrated. Okay, you don't need to buy the whole system for the card. Arc B60 actually announced in May 2025 at Computex and was actually released in September 2025, but OEM only, meaning you can just go and buy the graphics card alone. You have to buy whole pre-built system. This is the only way you actually can use the card. But now Intel is changing that. In Europe, there are several retailers actually listed the B60 from price around 769 euros to 1025 euros. So let's go into the details. First, we need to understand Intel actually launched the B50 in September 2, around 349 US dollar. But there was no news about the B60, and suddenly we have this news. Europe actually listed this B60 blower style 24GB GDDR6 RAM card for around 769 euros to 1000 euro. So the starting price is around 887 US dollar. And the cheapest one is the Sparkle Arc Pro. And we have other cards too. I'm gonna give photos so you can see that in details. If we compare the price, is actually in between, like video card says, is actually between RTS 5070 and RTS 5070 Ti. Now this is a workstation card, you can just compare with gaming card, but still if you compare with the gaming card, it actually by performance, obviously by performance, it's actually between RX 7600 and 2070 Super. This comparison doesn't make any sense because workstation card work differently than gaming card. So don't be hyper, okay? Now, this card actually has the 24GB of GDDR6 memory, which is similar to the NVIDIA 4024 Blackwell card, which is around $1,499, twice as much. So yeah, Intel is giving you the good value. But on the other hand, AMD's new R9700 actually pretty good card. Like yeah, the same retailer actually listed this card around 1199 euros. And this card has 32GB of GDDR6 memory. So this card gonna be a banger in mid-range, I think. Yeah, in US, it actually selling at MSRP of $1,299. So pretty cheap for 32GB of GDDR6. So yeah, the Intel Arc Pro B60 set to hit in the Europe market, probably end of this month or in the middle of this month. But we still don't have any clue about the US release. We have that one leak, this leak, yeah. This leak that Arc Pro B60 actually listed for $599 as ROG one. But if you go to the site right now, you can just see this this GPU is only as a part of whole system. You can just buy a single GPU without buying the whole system. So there is good that. So we only have the Euro version at this moment right now. Hopefully Intel release the card at US too very soon. If you want to see the specs, the spec is pretty similar. I already covered like 5 or 6 times. 192 TOPS, 20 XE2 cores, 20 X cores, 160 XMX AI engine, 20 ray tracing, 24GB of DDR6 memory. Obviously, is using the Zen 5 by 16 interface and 192 bus. That's it, the similar specs. Nothing changed there. So if you are a creator, I think it's a good option, but AMD's R9700 is a better choice, I think, at this moment because Intel's driver is not that much good. But AMD's driver is getting better day by day. And obviously, if you have the money, just go with the NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA's CUDA is the like backbone of everything. Anyway, that's it for today. Hopefully, you like the video. Be sure to subscribe because I upload daily GPU news or any leak news out there. Hopefully, you like the video. And sorry for my bad English. Thank you.